It is 3:10 p.m. Thursday afternoon, Skykomish, Washington. We're looking west down the Skykomish River. Out here is U.S. Route 2. Now we're looking east down the Skykomish River and the Cascade Mountains, and to the right is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway Northern Transcon, and the direction we're looking, freights and the Amtrak Empire Builders start climbing the grade to the summit of Stevens Pass. At the summit is Cascade Tunnel on the railway, the longest railroad tunnel in the USA. And let's go down this way. And the railroad was originally the Great Northern Railway. Came through here yesterday on the westbound Amtrak Empire Builder from Chicago Union Station to Everett, Washington. Got off at Everett. And this white building in the distance, that was the Skykomish Hotel, built in 1904, served travelers on the Great Northern Railway. Let's have one more look down the Skykomish River. And one more look east down the Skykomish River. And it's now 3:15 p.m. Thursday afternoon, February 2nd, 2023, Skykomish, Washington, east of Everett, Washington, over and out.